Hey, this is Adam Kreitman with Main Street Marketing Community. Before you set up a website for your local business, you need a domain name. In this video, we're going to go over the basics of what a domain name is, where you get them, and how to avoid a huge mistake some business owners make when it comes to domain names. A domain name, also known as a URL or Uniform Resource Locator, is simply what someone types into a web browser like Firefox or Safari to go to your website. Basically, it's your website's address on the internet. For example, our domain name is mainstreetmarketingcommunity.org and Google's is google.com. A key part of domains is their extensions, which are also known as a TLD or top-level domain. This is what you see after the last dot in the domain name. The most common one is .com, but there are a bunch of others like .net, .org, .edu, .co, and .gov. Ideally, you'll get a .com for your business, but as we'll explore in the next video, it's really not necessary. You can purchase domain names for your business through a company known as a domain registrar. There are a ton of them out there, and two of our favorites are GoDaddy.com and Namecheap.com. Domain names should cost no more than $10 a year, and before you purchase a domain name, be sure to do a quick Google search for coupon codes for the domain registrar you choose, because doing that can often knock an additional 5 to 25% off the cost of your domain name. Now, once you buy a domain name, you'll need to point it to your website. Basically, your website lives on a big computer called a server that makes the pages and files of your website available to the internet. In order for people to find your website when they type your domain name into their browser, you have to point that domain name to your web server. This is really quite simple to do, and if you have any trouble setting this up, simply contact tech support at either your domain registrar or your hosting company, and they'll be sure to help you out. Now, one last point that I want to make about domain names, and it's the most important point in this video. Make sure that you own your domain name. Don't let someone else, like a web designer or programmer, own it. First, a domain name can be a valuable business asset and should be protected like any other valuable asset your business owns. And second, we've heard too many stories of unethical web designers or programmers holding domain names hostage or stealing them outright from business owners. And we don't want that to happen to you. So it's an easy process to get your own domain name. Just go set up an account at GoDaddy or Namecheap.com and keep all your domains there. Please join me in the next video where we'll cover tips for choosing the right domain name for your business. Thanks for watching, and for more videos, tips, and resources for marketing your offline business in the online world, head over to mainstreetmarketingcommunity.org.